Me again.
I've got a pink ball.
Just having a ham and pickle sandwich. I've got quite a bit of footage on my GoPro to upload, but I must show this bit of footage because there's a rider out here and he's semi-pro. This guy here on a YZ. Shit hot rider. Welcome to my channel, guys, Motocross Mania. I named it my channel for obvious reasons. Double that jump. Two little nippies out on the track, look. Under 5. Once you get your kid into this sport, he'll never get in trouble again. And if he does, take the bike away from him as punishment, and I can promise you, that'll be the last time he gets in trouble. I wish I did have it as a kid, I suppose I did have it, but them days when I was a kid, it was like waste ground, it wasn't tracks. I'll tell you what, the opportunities the kids have got today is unlike the opportunities what a lot of us older had when we was kids. Little 135, little KTM, bless him. Get him round. Imagine by the time he's like a teenager, 14, 15, on a bike, he'll be shit hot. Why would you want to get yourself in trouble when you can do things like this? It does cost money, motivation, inspiration, get up and go. He's 4. Just beat his dad. As I said, set your goals, set a target for yourself and work towards it. Everyone at tracks are friendly. I've never come across a motocross rider what is not friendly. My bike's over on its side, so I've just done the sump on it, tighten the bolts up on it. Look at that little kid, he'd never get in trouble, he won't. That's his dad there. So if anyone hasn't been to this track before, it's over in a place called Dean something, Petersfield, Portsmouth. Nice and local, so I'm in Little Hampton, so it's only a, I don't know, a slow, steady hour's drive. Just take your time, no rush. Especially when the days like this, it's beautiful. I'll be out all day on my bike today. It's cost me for 30 quid for the whole day. How can you beat that? Beats going out clubs, getting pissed, getting drunk, taking drugs, acting stupid. doing all your money on jugs. This beats a lot of it, doesn't it? More fun, better adrenaline, no regrets. Don't feel shit the next day, you actually feel good. You might have a few aches and pains from the old muscles, but that's, you know, that comes with the sport. Yeah guys, time for me to get on my bike. When I get home, when I get on my bike in a minute, I'll turn my GoPro on and be filming it. But yeah, I've got some good footage for you. Bearing in mind I've only been out on this bike, this is my third time, and it is a big 450, so I'm just getting used to it. But I've just started to pin the jump. Motivation, man. I'll be back at you in a bit, guys. Peace.